Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Avni's Indian Kitchen. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. Today's recipe is a very easy and authentic dish of green brinjal. Let us see how I prepare it. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Once the oil heats up, add about 8 to 10 flakes of crushed garlic flakes. Saute for about 10 seconds on medium flame. Next, we will add 3 broken red chillies. Saute it for about 2 minutes or till garlic turns golden brown. You can see the garlic has changed its color. Now let us add green brinjal sliced. I had soaked it in water so that brinjal doesn't turn brown. After adding all the brinjal, we will add some salt to taste. Mix well and close the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let us check it. The brinjal has cooked very well. Our brinjal curry is ready. Do try this brinjal curry and let me know in comment section whether you liked it. Thanks for watching the video.